Today I decided to come to a classic car show here at Ragley Hall. If you don't know where it is, it's not far away from the town of Alcester. They're going to be here over 2,000 cars. Yeah, you just heard. Over 2,000 cars just today. For the day I'm coming on Sunday, it's going to be over 15,000 people. This is so big. I don't know even if I can do all the show, but I will promise you guys, I will try to do as many as possible, okay? The weather is helping us all out. If you got a classic car show near you, my advice, please go and enjoy, because life is too short. I do enjoy always to come here. I came here 2 years ago. I can't wait to go and show you all the amazing cars that I'm going to find here. Let's go.
Find out. We're not doing.
Awesome cars, even some of them they don't look very old, like a Ford Fiesta, another Fiesta, Skoda. What do we got here? Classic car, and the Ford Focus Estate, the MG, that is a classic. We are here with the club, all sorts of what? All sorts of cars that you can see, even a Nissan Micra there. Look at this Rolls Royce, are you kidding me? These cars cost over £1 million. There's several clubs here. For example, here is the Ford Escort XRT Owners Club. Scary. What is that? Halloween? And he wants even a tip? I don't think so, sir. I'm so scared. Are you kidding me? These cars, they are incredible. My goodness, the effort these people put. The minis. We got here one in green and the other in this red Imola. Actually, this car is considered the smallest convertible in the world with 4 seats. You don't believe me? Look at this, guys. I'm here with the Chevrolet Owners Club, and there's several C8s like this one, but actually this one in blue is the C7, and this one is my favorite. Beautiful in this blue with a black interior. Look at this, the Stingray. This is a classic, beautiful. We got the C5 convertible and so on. BMW 850. This is called the Estoril Blue, but it's got a cream or grey interior. This is the BMW Owners Club. The Volkswagen Golf. Oh my goodness, it's got so much glitter. not only on the orange, but on the bonnet as well. Just look at the modifications on this Mini. My goodness, it's got a wide body kit. It's been wrapped, so I presume. This is stunning. What a modifications on this car. This is cool. My goodness. Built, not bought. May contain nuts. Evans. I hate stickers. The Fiat Pandas, guys, there's not one but even three. I'm going to tell you actually a story nobody knows. Actually, my first car was a Fiat Panda. Ford Capri 2.8 injection petrol, really beautiful, looks mint. My goodness, what a beautiful car. Oh my goodness, I'm presuming this was the first injection Capris. This is the E36. It's not the M3, it's got the M3 body kit, but it's stunning. This is the convertible. This car looks mint. They're still beautiful, and finally they are coming up. The Jaguar E-Type, this is so stunning in this red Imola Rolls-Royce Silver Rate. This is so stunning. Volvo P1800, this is so rare. Let me to tell you guys, these cars, they are very expensive. I love them. Actually, the only thing I can remember from this car was James Moore, one of the 007 actors. Volkswagen Beetle, my goodness, he is so cute. He did remove the front fenders. He put different suspension, as I can see it from there. My goodness, look at the headlights, how low they are. He needs to be careful, because when he goes over a bump, perhaps he breaks. This is so stunning. Something really special. This is the Fiat 500 Gamine Vignale from 1968. Are you kidding me? This is so cool. Can I press? The owner is going to kill me. There's another Jaguar E-Type. Beautiful. Look at them, actually. They are both the same color. And we got here a Bond. A bug. This is so stunning. Look at the 911, perhaps this is the American version. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I feel. Look at this mustard yellow. This is a Wartburg. This is stunning. So this is an estate. He looks incredible in this light brown with the dark green. Lotus Sunbeam. Have you seen one of those? I never came across.
Ready, go!
American cars that I'm such a big fan, and the first thing that comes to my memory, guys, is all of them. They are big, from Ford Chevrolets, Pontiacs, etc. The Ford Mustang Mark 1, perhaps I would say. The hot rod, is this a Ford? Perhaps it is. Love this car, so rare. Oh my goodness, look at this SRT with 22, maybe 23-inch wheels. Look at the size of those Brembo brakes. Look at this Cadillac, are you kidding? This is a 1930 Plymouth business coupe, a police car. No way. I'm a big fan of police cars. This is cool. Look at that, guys. Haha, I love that. Oh, he's got his shirt inside, the hat inside. I'm gonna look for the gun. I just want the gun.
Ready, go!
This Trans Am is so stunning. My goodness, look at the size of those wheels, 24-inch wheels. Chevrolet is so stunning. I would love to have one of those. Now, first of all, it's an American car. Normally they do have big engines on this, but I think actually on this one it's just a 2.8 V6. But look at this detail inside. You can turn actually the seats into beds. Ford Mustangs, they are so beautiful. This is pretty cool. A dark blue. So stunning, this Chevrolet pickup isn't. The Audi A4 Quattro, this is so stunning. Love these cars, by the way. We got a Mercedes SLK here, perhaps is the compressor. How about this Lotus Estate? What model is that? Chevrolet. Look at the details on this car. Are you kidding me? This is so beautiful. Perhaps this is from 1950. Look at these details here. Look at the mirror. This is stunning, beautiful. My goodness. Look how stunning it looks, this car. Look how big it is. This is so beautiful. It's so rare to see the MGs these days. And it's a good car. It's a good car. I like it. The Ford Escort. We got here another Ford Escort. Big fan of the XR3i. And there's another MG, that is the Maestro. The Jaguar XJS. I'm a big fan. Look at what is that? The Mercedes 500 SEC. Bentley Mulsanne. This is so beautiful. Love this dark color brown with a beautiful cream interior. Right and drive. So much luxury on this car. It's not every day that you come across to a Renault Alpine GTA Turbo 2.5 V6. This is the Volvo P1800. There are so many here today. Very rare you see a Lotus Ella Morgan 6 Plus, so I presume, and we got the legend Mazda MX-5, the Porsche Boxster, that I'm a big fan. The 3.2 is the daddy, and you'll see how much fun you can have. All sorts of awesome cars here. Oh my goodness, even the Puma, Ford Puma is so rare. The MG convertible, as we got here the Ford RX, and I would love to have one. My goodness. These cars, they are so stunning and fast, good value for money, so I do believe. And we got here a Porsche 911, a Vauxhall VX 220 Turbo, a Subaru Impreza in this light blue with gold wheels.
And finally, the car of the show. The car of the show for me today is a Rolls Royce. Ray, well, there you are. Would you like to come and collect your plaques, please? Right, folks.
Our winner of the show here at Ragley Hall 2024.
So I want you to give our musicians here and vocalists a big round of applause. Come on. Fantastic. So on behalf of Classic Shows, and a big thank you to Chris and Lord Hartford and everybody else involved in the event. Thank you very, very much indeed for being with us today. I know what you're going to do to take work off, yeah? You wish you were Carly Shilton. Lord Hartford, Carly Show. Give me a round of applause. Thank you.
This car is so beautiful. I'm going to end my video here. Why? Because this was the car winner of the classic car show here at Ragley Hall. I have seen amazing cars, I have to say. There was another Rolls-Royce Phantom, and one actually that I would believe it should be here, but nevertheless this car is so beautiful, is outstanding. Nevertheless, I saw amazing cars here, hundreds of car clubs. There was plenty of motorcycles as well. The weather was amazing. If you got a classic car by you, my advice is go and watch it because it's really stunning. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a like and subscribe because Mr. Wig will be very grateful. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.